Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install VLADiK virtual game on your PC. So let's get started. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam on your any browser. And you will see the Steam website on the top, so you just need to open it. And guys, here you will see the option of login on the right hand top. So you just need to click on that. And here you just need to sign in with your account, and if you don't have an account then just simply create one and then click on the install steam option you are seeing on the top, and then here click on the install steam and download and install the steam on your PC. This is very simple and easy. Then open up the steam, login with your account, click on the search box, just type here the game name, which is the VLADiK Crucial, and this game will show on the top. Open it, click on the add to cart option here you are seeing. So once you click on that, click on the view my cart option, and now here just click on the option of continue to payment, and once you click on that, simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Guys, once you pay the amount, click on the library option you are seeing on the top, and on the left hand side you will find the game, which is the VLADiK Crucial. Just click on that, click on the install. This is how you can download and install the VLADiK Crucial game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.